Pouring the plastic granules of the insulation layer into the clean material port. The copper wire rollers here have also been fully installed in the standard position. Through the automatic cleaning machine and shaping mold in front, the cleaning of the copper wire can be automatically completed. At the same time, the originally fluffy copper wire will be shaped to a standard diameter of 0.25 mm. This facilitates the semi-liquid insulation plastic to adhere more evenly to the surface of the copper wire after melting. This is also the key reason why the small workshop owner dares to provide a 2.5-year warranty to customers for the well-made power cords. After the wires are made, the assistant will use a special organizing reel to wind the wires onto the reel. This not only makes the wires more orderly, but also ensures a smoother feeding process for the subsequent automatic weaving machine. While the wires are being organized here, the assistant on the other side is not slacking off. The rolls of black cotton thread purchased from other unscrupulous workshops will be wound into bundles with a diameter of about 1 centimeter using a simple winding machine. To make the produced connecting wires more durable and sturdy, 2 newly made insulated wire bundles will be filled between the 2 wires before making the cotton insulation layer for the wires. This not only improves the plasticity and bend resistance of the wire bundles in the later stage, but also makes the connecting wires look fuller and more aesthetically pleasing. By fixing the wire ends on the organizing reel, the fully automatic winding machine can work automatically. Using a special winding process, the wires and insulated cotton threads are evenly wound together, ensuring that the produced wires are in a standard cylindrical shape. In just half a day, the winding of the internal wire elements is completed. Then, they need to be transported to the insulation layer processing workshop. Here, to improve production efficiency, more connecting wires can be processed at one time. The boss spared no expense and invested all his savings to purchase 30 second-hand automatic weaving machines. Workers only need to place the reels on the machine, connect the cotton threads, and start the weaving machine. The machine will automatically weave according to the placement position of each reel. To make the connecting wires look more beautiful and eye-catching, black cotton threads are added inside the insulation layer for decoration. A layer of cotton insulation is added to the outside of the finished wires to better protect the wire elements. At the same time, it makes them look more delicate. After the insulation layer is wrapped around the wire elements, they need to be cut into standard lengths of 3 meters according to customer orders. Due to the strict acceptance standards of the enterprise, the cutting dimensions must be precise without any errors. Therefore, the cutting work must be done carefully and meticulously. Then the specially made plugs are fixed on the live and neutral wires. The plugs are then tightened with pliers. On the other end of the connecting wire, a wire clip is made to connect to the control box. After the wire ends on both sides of the connecting wire are installed, a heat shrink tube is placed at the connection point. By instantly heating it with a 50°C heat gun, the heat shrink tube quickly adheres to the wire bundle interface, achieving good sealing performance. To prevent the connection point between the plug and the wire from falling off, a fastening machine is used for preliminary fastening and shaping at the connection point. The shaped plug is then placed into the plug processing machine. Using a special shaping mold and advanced automatic feeding process, a plug can be made in just 2 seconds. After the plug is processed, for convenient subsequent transportation, the factory manager's cousin organizes the connecting wires and locks them with shaping wires. At this point, the batch-produced connecting wires made from new materials are successfully completed.